red tomato, juicy and proud. I bounce in your sandwich, singing out loud. Strawberries giggle, we're sweet, not shy. Even red apples say, give us a try. I'm a red tomato, juicy and proud. I bounce in your sandwich, singing out loud. Strawberries giggle, we're sweet, not shy. Even red apples say, give us a try. Colors in my lunchbox, what a tasty crew. Red and yellow, green and blue. Fruits and veggies singing proud. Healthy bites that shout out loud. I'm a red golden tree standing loud. He peels back his coat and bows to the crowd. Corn pops in where sunshine bright. Lemon says zing, I bring the bite. I'm a broccoli tree, standing up tall, with spinach leaves, doing flips in the hall. Green grapes slide in with a wiggle and cheer. We're the funkiest fruit of the year. Blueberries pop with a jazz band beat, and purple cabbage shuffles its feet. Plums and eggplants wave and groove. We're the cool colors in a healthy move. Now all the colors sing and play, making my lunch the best part of the day. Crunch and munch, it's a rainbow feast, with dancing peas and a carrot beet. Colors in my lunchbox, fun and bright. Eating the rainbow feels just right. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Healthy is happy for me and you.